Right now I'm in Bimini, Bahamas, and I'm here with the Canon EOS R6 mirrorless camera. This is the first time I'm taking this camera underwater, and I'm excited to test it out. If you're looking for a camera for underwater photo or video, look no further. The Canon EOS R6 performs on every level. As you can see, the camera records underwater video perfectly. I'm filming these shots in 1080, 120 frames per second, as well as 1080, 60 frames per second. When it comes to underwater photography, I could not be happier. Let's take a look at some amazing photos that I was able to capture on this trip. For all of the underwater videos and photos shown in this video, I used my Canon EF 8-15mm lens. I also used a Kenko Teleplus HD Pro 1.4x teleconverter. I then used the Canon mount adapter for EF lenses to attach the converter and the fisheye lens to the Canon EOS R6. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more about the Canon EOS R6 for underwater photo or video, you can click on the end card in this video and you'll be taken to a more in-depth video review.